Alright, go.
Okay, so first thing we're going to do here is change this cosine squared into 1 minus sine squared.
And add them to get a positive 1. So it's going to be yet negative 1 or 2.
And then what do I do after that? How do I turn that into
Next,
sine?
we're going to distribute and get 2 minus 2 sine squared theta minus sine theta minus 1. Next, we're going to combine like terms and make this 2 sine squared minus sine theta plus 1. And then from here, what I like to do is treat these signs as x's. So we'll make it negative 2x squared minus x plus 1. And then from here, we're just going to factor. So the numbers that when we multiply by each other, negative 2 and 1, but when we add them together, we get negative 1 are negative 2 and positive 1. So I'm going to rewrite this as negative 2x squared minus 2x plus x plus 1. And then we're going to separate them, and we're going to factor numbers out. So here, for the first one, we'll factor out a negative 2x, and we'll be left with x plus 1. Here we'll factor out a positive 1, and we'll get still x plus 1. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back and replace our x's with signs. So we'll get negative 2 sine theta plus 1, and we'll get sine theta plus 1. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take both of these factors and set them equal to 0, and we'll get negative 2 sine theta plus 1 equals 0, and sine theta plus 1 equals 0. And then we'll just solve them each separately. So we'll subtract the 1 here, and we'll have negative 2 sine theta equals negative 1. We'll divide both sides by 2 and get sine theta equals 1/2. And the places where sine theta equals 1/2 are pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. And then for the sine theta plus 1, we're going to add 1, or subtract 1 from both sides, and we'll get sine theta equals negative 1. And then the place where sine theta equals negative 1 is 3 pi over 2. So these are our three answers right here. We have pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, and 3 pi over 2.